Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open New Message. So once you are in Keypad, you will be able to observe, you will be able to see a settings icon marked to open. Now choose languages and types, and here click on Manage Input Languages. Choose the one that you want to use, unmark unnecessary one and go back. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed. If you want to change it again, just recreate the same action. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.